Did you know that the way you apply your mascara can really change the shape of your eye? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create sexy almond-shaped eyes on this eye and open doe-eyed effect eyes on this eye. As a makeup artist, I find that the mascara techniques I'm going to show you in this video have the biggest result when you use a mascara that has really extreme lengthening properties to it. So for a sexy almond-shaped eye, we're going to take the mascara wand and first of all, we're going to bounce the wand at the very root of the lashes. And we're going to do that because if we apply most of the mascara at the root of our lashes, it's going to create the look of more volume. So just bounce and wiggle. So I've not even coated the tips of my lashes yet, but just by focusing the mascara right on the roots of my lashes, it's already making my lashes look fuller. Now we're going to focus on purely lengthening the lashes right at the outer corner, and that's really going to emphasize the sexy almond shape. So you want to take your wand and you're going to pull it away from your eye. And this is going to create a beautiful, wispy, sexy almond shape. And then we're going to hold our mascara vertically so we can really lengthen the very outer corner lash here. And then just before they dry, take your ring finger and you're just going to smooth the lashes to the outer corner. For the bottom lashes, you just tickle the roots. So once I've applied just a little to my lower lashes, I'm going to apply a second layer just to the outer corners of my lower lashes. So I've applied my mascara in such a way to give a beautiful, sexy almond-shaped eye on this eye, and now I'm going to show you how to apply your mascara at home to create a really open eye and doe-eyed effect on this eye using a different mascara technique. So I've applied the mascara to the roots, and now I'm going to show you how to make your eyes look really open and doe-eyed with your mascara at home. So you're going to take your wand, you're going to hold it vertically, and you're going to focus on really lengthening the lashes just in the middle here. It's really going to help give the effect that my eye looks more open and doe-eyed. I'm not going to apply with this second layer any more mascara to this outer corner because I don't want to elongate that. So by focusing the mascara right in the middle here, and with the other lashes, I'm kind of pushing them towards my nose. This is really going to help open up my eyes with the mascara. And this is a great mascara technique to use when you feel your eyes look tired and you want your eyes to just look more wide awake and open. Now I'm going to show you the technique for the lower lash line when you want your eyes to look more round and open. So we're going to take our mascara and we're going to just apply a very light coat along the entirety of the lower lash line. And now holding our mascara wand vertically, we're going to focus once more on the center lashes on the lower lash line. So we're going to coat these lashes with a second coat of mascara, and that's going to really make the eyes look beautifully doe-eyed, open, rounded and wide awake. So hopefully you can see the difference that just using different mascara techniques can make to your eyes when you apply your mascara at home. I hope you really love trying these techniques out at home. I'd love to know how you get on, and I'd also love you to tell me what tutorial you'd like me to make you next.